to all, welcome to my channel. So here in last video we discussed about Linux file system and Linux directories. Now we are slowly entering into the commands. So if you didn't watch my previous videos like Linux file system and Linux directories and what is DevOps, so I would suggest you watch first those videos and come to here. Then you will get some clear picture idea about how Linux file system and how Linux directories will work here. So coming to here, we'll start the video now. So about the Linux commands. So here first, what is the shell? So this is a program that helps us in interacting with the kernel of the operating system. So these shells are basically two types. One is Bourne shell, and so in the Bourne shell we have three different types of shells. One is Bourne shell sh, and another one is Bourne again shell bash. So another one is Korn shell here. So coming to next, this one is a C shell, and under C shell we have one more shell TCSH. We will discuss about later about these shells. So coming to, we need to enter now. We are going to enter now in Linux terminal commands. So I will execute one by one command. Then I will explain you clearly. So then you will get some good understanding, I hope. So for that, first you need to install VMware Virtual Box Manager, Oracle VMware Virtual Box Manager. So you need to download from first of all in the Google from the Oracle website, and then you need to download Ubuntu OS. So you need to install this one. So why I didn't actually did a video about how to install Linux and VMware. So I think already there is a lot of videos about how to install Ubuntu and VMware. So you can explore, like if you are searching the YouTube, there is a plenty of videos. So now I am opening the Linux. So it takes some time. It's because if your system is good, like the 8 GB RAM, i7 processor and graphics, like 8 GB RAM and i7 processor is enough for practicing Linux. So here, so now you see, now I am opening the terminal here. This is the Ubuntu platform here, desktop here. I am opening now terminal. So one by one commands now we will discuss here. This is the Linux terminal commands coming to here. So Control plus C. This is the this one. If you use Control plus C, it kills the current running process here. Actually, I will show you now. See, this is the one. So for example, I am test I am typed here. So I am using now Control plus C. So what will be happen? It will be kill the current process here, as I mentioned, current running process. So next one is Control plus L. It's clear the screen. For example, yeah, I will show you. I am typing here media. So it's there, right? So now I am press Control plus L. It will clear the whole screen. So it's work like that. So next coming to Control A, it moves the cursor to the beginning of the line. So wait, let me show you here something. So I am typing like wait. So creator here. So what will be happen if you press Control plus A, moves the cursor to the beginning of the line. You see now here Control plus A. Do you see? So this is the one, like previous it will be in the end line of the word. Now it will be showing the starting line. So in the Linux mostly we use the commands like these type of commands or shortcuts. Why means if you are here in the, for example, now if you are here, or so now you need to enter, you need to go back forward, and you need to verify if you want to delete, for example, here. So why we are going to perform that operation? If you press Control A, it will come automatically to the C. So next, so coming to Control plus A, moves the cursor to end of the line. So this is the one. Now it's in the starting line. So if you press Control E, it will move to the ending of the word here. So next one is Control plus U, deletes the characters from the current cursor position to the beginning of the line. So you see now, yeah, if you are here, for example, R, so if you press Control plus U, so what will be happen? It will be deleted from the starting to ending lines, starting to the starting lines here. So deletes the characters. So it deletes it's not deleting the words. It deletes the characters from the current cursor position to beginning of the line. Like means now. So I will show you one more thing. So now R is there. R is the last word. So if you press Control plus U, it will delete from Y to T, from here to starting. See. sorry, see, this is like that. Now I'll tell you one more command here. Control plus key, there is the character from the current cursor position to the end of the line. So if you press K, control plus K, see, it will delete the line, ending line here, see, end of the line, deletes the characters from the current cursor position to end of the line. So if you are if the cursor is here, if you press control plus K, see what will happen, it will delete the whole. So this is like the control K command will work. So coming to this one, up arrow brings previously typed commands. So what we are typed previous, so this is the command, like I showed you, right? So this is the command, like this is the test, these are the files, like previous we are this upper arrow. So if you use down arrow, will navigate to current commands, like previous where which command we are, see, wait, I will show you one more. Yeah, navigate current commands. So this is the one like previous last we are working on. So I will show you how to create files also. Give me a second here. See, now previous we started right here. Yeah, control right plus left arrow, control down arrow we already see. Control plus left arrow moves one more to the left of the current position. See, I will show you this one also. Control plus left arrow. See, it's moves one word to the left of the current cursor position. Okay, so moves one word to the right of the current cursor position. Wait, let me show you one more thing. So control plus left arrow, so it will come to here. That means previous we discussed about the characters. Now we are move one word to the left of the current cursor position. So it will come to word left of the position. So if you press control plus right arrow, see, it will come to ending point, moves one word to the right of the current position, moves one word to the right. So it will move to the left if you press control plus left arrow. If you press control plus right arrow, it will come to the end. So like this. So I'm coming to control plus copy and paste, right? So in the for copy and paste, simply we need to use control plus shift plus C for copy, control plus shift plus V paste. I'll show you now. So control shift, so you need to copy this one, then control shift C. So you need to enter here. Now you are in the blinking here. So it's the same, control shift V. So that's it. You are able to copy and you are able to paste now. So coming to next commands, like so we need to now, there is some commands for creating files. For example, I need to create one empty file here. So in the terminal, I will show you. So for example, yeah, here, yeah, so we can use touch as a command here. Then what's the file name you are going to give? Like I need to give file name as a used. So already we typed it. We can give roster, the file name. So touch roster. Now the empty file is created, right? So here one more command is there, echo. If you want to print anything in the screen, evening, I want to display the evening in the command here in the here. See, now we are able to see the evening, but for the creating folder we are not able to see the folder name here. If you want to print anything, like it prints in the terminal, so like this, good morning, like here. So next, cat file name, so it displays the data of the file actually here. Wait, cat roster. So nothing is there because we didn't, we created the file name, empty file, and we didn't enter we didn't save anything in the folder. So now for this one, see, now I'll touch one. Yeah, you'll see here, these are the things. For example, if I need to create a file name like empty file, so we need to use the command here, touch beat. So these, now I created empty folder of the beat. So next I need to use some text display in the terminal. So for that I am using echo. See, I am able to see the meat in the terminal. And one more thing, if I want to display some data in the file name, so we created beat as a, so now I want to save some data into the file. So I am going to create file now. See, echo, like this is the data I am passing to the which one folder, beat. So now I want to display what's the inside in the beat. See, previous we created empty folder beat, right? So what we stored, like, so now we are able to see like same in the terminal here. So this is how the Linux commands, basics commands will work. So in the coming videos we will discuss about in previous commands and folders and directories.